Hi, it's Wick here. I just wanted to ask you a question. Do you find chicken breasts quite dry? Because I do. I much prefer thighs. But I just wondered, have you ever thought about poaching them? My name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. And I love doing live or just videos in general showing you tips and tricks on how to make things healthier in the kitchen. So today I'm going to do a poached chicken breast. Well, I've actually got a couple of chicken breasts here, and they are so moist. When they're poached, they are so moist and beautiful. And so I've had these marinating actually only for about 10 minutes, but you can do them overnight and the flavours just really infuse. But in here I've got 2 chicken breasts. I've left the skin on because that holds the moisture in as well, but when I pull them out I take the skin off and discard it. But so in here I've got 2 large cloves of garlic finely chopped, some fresh ginger, about a tablespoon. I've got 1 stalk of finely chopped up lemongrass, about half a cup of fresh chopped up coriander, and then some chili flakes. About, I quite like chili, so about a teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon, and then some salt and pepper. So you put that all together and then put it into a bowl with your chicken breasts and just leave that 10 minutes minimum, but if you can do it overnight, awesome. And then for your poaching liquid, in my pot here, I'm going to pour a can of coconut cream. I do use the light version. So a can of coconut cream. Actually, sorry, the other ingredient in here, I knew there was something I was missing. The other ingredient is 2 rinds of a lime. Sorry, completely lost my mind there. Lime rind. And I always grate and freeze lime rind when they're in season so that I can use them when out of season. But you could use lemon rind instead, but lime rind just adds that beautiful flavour. So in here I've got the juice of 2 limes. So you've got the lime rind in here and the lime juice in here. And then 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Just put that in there. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. I wouldn't normally measure, but I am today. And then 2 kaffir lime leaves. So again, leave them whole. With other dishes you can take the stalks off, finely chop them up, and they're beautiful. Put those in there. And then about a can of water. So give that a stir. And then put this all, including all of the marinade and all of those amazing flavours, into your pot. And your liquid should be just covering the chicken breasts. Give that a little stir. And then put your lid on. Bring it to the boil and then boil it for 10 minutes. And then turn it off, okay? And then don't lift the lid, leave it for 20 minutes and it's done. And then you want to wait for it to cool a little bit, and then you have got the most amazing flavours. You can put it into a chicken noodle soup. I'm going to be using it in a chicken salad, so with lots of avocado and corn and fresh ingredients, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So I hope you enjoy that. And please comment below if you haven't ever poached or you try this and you absolutely love it, or just generally what your thoughts are. Have an awesome rest of your day. See ya.